Hello, in today's video about the Mercedes W126, I will show you how we're gonna remove this piece of wood that is on the central console where you got your gear stick. Okay, let's watch. That you need to remove that piece of trim because you have a coin or something that fell where the gear lever is, or that you need to change maybe a switch for your windows or electric mirror, or just as simple that you want to revarnish the wood, which is a very common problem on Mercedes. Then obviously you will need to remove that piece of trim. You will see it's very easy. How we're gonna do it? We're gonna first put the gear at its lowest, further part away, and now we're gonna open the ashtray. Now the next step is to remove the interior of the ashtray. Here we go, done. And now you will see two screws inside. So we're gonna take a star screwdriver or Phillips screwdriver, as what it's called, and we're gonna remove those two screws. Just make sure you don't drop them inside. It'll be rather a pain to recover after. Perfect. Now we're just gonna pull the ashtray out. Can be a bit hard because it clips. Okay, here we go. Now that we have it, we're just gonna remove or disconnect the electric connection. So there's one for the lights and the other one that power the cigarette lighter. Here we go, done. That's the first step. Now we're gonna remove that part. For that, we're gonna lift it on the radio side. Okay, see, you lift it slightly, and now we're gonna pull it up. Okay, so it disengage on that part. Okay, it's off. Now it's possible that on your vehicle you don't have these options. I do, so I will disconnect them from behind. So you just need to pull them. There we go. Done. Okay, so if you have a look at this, you will see that this one and this one are the same switches. They are for the seats. The others are different. So the plugs that I've got here, those ones will be the same, those ones will be different, so you can't go wrong. So those ones, just keep them aside just to make sure you connect them correctly back. Okay, now to remove this part is very easy. We're just gonna slide it forward and you will see it will come off. See, it's off, easy. So now this, you can place it to a point where it's not gonna be in your way, and all we have to do now is disconnect the electric windows, etc. So I recognize it's not easy sometimes because the access is a bit difficult, but more you remove them, more you have access. So you just need to pull them. Okay, they just slide. Okay, okay, and now off it goes. Okay, as you see, just slide it in. We now have the part, and as you have seen, it only takes a couple of minutes to remove it. It's very easy. Common issues that we will find with this part is that the previous owner has tried to remove it and he failed miserably, and therefore we will find those legs broken or at the back as well because they tried to pry it open. So if it's the case, well, that's going to be a problem. Probably you will need to replace the entire part, or I know now they are, they've got those 3D printing, so I'm not sure if it's possible to remake some of those. Okay. Other issue that you will find will be obviously the varnish that crack. That's a very common one. Okay, or it peels. This one is cracked, so eventually I will have to redo the varnish on this one. And other issue will be depending where the car is stored, if it's outside, inside, the temperature of your country, etc., the humidity. It could be as well that you place a can or something and it spills out, okay, and it splits, okay, the wood will split. So I'm not sure if you can see the damage here at the corner. I will try and show you, okay. So you see that's the kind of stuff that can happen. Here we can see that on this side and on this side it will need to come more like that, okay. So that eventually can be re-glued, okay, using some epoxy or something like that, okay. So here we go. Now to fit it back, well, it's exactly the same procedure, but in reverse. So very, very easy, okay? So I hope that you have liked the video, and we'll see each other in the next one. See ya.